Okay, hello there, I'm Dennis, and I'm going to do a little follow-up video. It's not going to be just a few minutes, quick as I can get it done. I just posted a video a couple days ago on OpenBSD, and in the title I say I'm using ffmpeg and AuCat, and I am. But I did make a couple errors, and let's point those out. Let me get this to the side here. Right here, in order to record audio, you have to modify the kernel. And I show it here as Doas. Well, that was completely wrong. That won't work. It actually shows right here the hashtag meaning as root. And right here on my note, I said as root, start the kernel. But I got carried away with Doas. I'm sorry. I went in and changed all that. Anywhere where you see the hashtag, I changed it as to Doas. But it won't work, and it was pointed out in the video, and I appreciate that because you're right, that will not work. I tried to run that as Doas when I was first doing this, and it says that permission is denied, so you have to sign in as root or super user and then run that. So let me change this real quick. Just put a hashtag right there. This one's going to require one as well. All right. The next error that I made concerned using the video camera. So let me pull that up and modifying the kernel as well. And you see I showed it as Doas, but as you know now, or as we all know now, that won't work. So let me change that, make that here, save that. So my bad, it clearly shows the hashtag, and that represents as super user or as with root privileges. And I did make those mistakes. I guess, like I said, I just got carried away with Doas, I reckon. I guess that's what it was. So this is an amendment right here of this video, and I'll make it as quick as possible. I want to make those corrections because I don't want somebody running these commands using Doas and it says permission denied and they don't know what they're doing. However, if you're using OpenBSD, you probably know you probably was if you ran that command with Doas, you probably got the error and it says permission denied, and you might could link that together. But if not, I'm here to make that correction, and I apologize for it. And I'm still using the OpenBSD and using ffmpeg to record AuCat or record the audio. It's just as easy to do it in AuCat as it is Audacity, only with Audacity you have a graphical interface running, taking up some system resources. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'm sorry if I caused some confusion. Peace out. I'll catch you on another video. Bye.